So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's a continuation from the previous video, so kindly go back and watch that video and check out my other videos as well. We are talking about passive income. Passive income is a type of income whereby you do not need to be present in order to earn money. Your involvement, you do not have to put in any effort, invest any time or labor to earn money. Okay, in the previous video, we spoke about active income, whereby we understood that you need to put in the effort initially. So whatever the type of income might be, you still need to put in the effort in the initial stages in order to earn money. So having put in the effort, the money that comes afterwards without our involvement or our effort is our passive income. So taking for instance digital products, we are in a digital world, and so you'd want to take advantage of producing digital products or rendering digital services. You put in the effort initially. Let's say for a YouTube channel, you post videos, and then some years to come, people watch it over and over again, and then you are able to earn something on it as time goes on. Did the video and then uploaded it onto your channel, and then you do not need to do anything again to gain. You do not need to do anything again to earn. You've done the job once, and then that's it. So passive income is the way to go. In the active income, we worked very hard, but in the passive income, you are working smart. Okay, because you cannot keep working all the days of your life. So you need a passive income. You need to earn money passively without your involvement, so that whenever you are not around, you can still earn money. If you need to take a vacation, unlike the 9 to 5 in the active phase, whereby if you are not present because you didn't work, you will not earn salary or you will not earn money. But in the passive phase, whether you are around or not, you will still earn the money. You can literally make money whilst you sleep. Okay. So for the passive income, that's the best way to go. We are working actively in the beginning or initial stages in order to get assets that can produce passive income or generate passive income for us without our involvement, without our effort. We did the job once, and then it's producing money for us over, making money for us over and over and over and over and over again. We want to make money in this wealth creation journey. We need to also consider buying assets that can produce passive income for us. Examples would be, maybe you build an apartment, you invested money to put out the apartment for rental, for real estate, and then you did the job once, you put out the building, you put up the building, and then from years and years to come, you do not have to do anything. You do not have to do anything as long as people occupy that building, you get your rental income. So that's a form of a passive income, whereby you've done the work in the initial stages, and then from years and generations to come, your children can also even benefit when you are born. You gain money, you gain income, probably at the end of the year or month, whichever way you choose to get paid. So that is also an asset you can choose to gain. We'll be talking about assets that can make you rich in our subsequent videos, so kindly watch out for it. You can also put up a business. With the business, you initially may have to put in the effort and also be working to make sure it's established and it goes on. But as time goes on, you would put in the effort in order to establish that business. And then how you can gain passive income is that you cannot be everywhere. You cannot do the job all by yourself. There are a lot of things that need to be done. So when you employ people to work for you, you are buying their time, you are buying their effort. So they put in the effort, and then at the end of the day, you get your product or your service or whatever thing you are rendering, whatever value you are producing as a business to other people, you get your profits. So you pay your employees, and then the rest is yours. Some of the type of business you don't even have to be actively involved. You can set up the business and then employ people, and people will be working for you whilst you probably go on a vacation or do whatever thing you want to do. Note that you cannot be wealthy or rich in the long run by working for someone. If you are always constantly trading your time and your efforts, you are only making someone rich, not yourself. So you also have to get to a point whereby you are also employing the services of other people, and that is what is passive income. Buy people's time, you buy people's efforts, and then they make sure the business is running for you. At the end of the month, you pay them. The rest of the money is yours. That's also a passive way of gaining income. So you would want to also not just only be doing a 9 to 5 job that you are employed by someone else, but you also want to consider gaining money passively. That will also help you. So there should be a balance. And there's also the portfolio income. And you buy assets like portfolio or paper income. You buy shares of a company, you buy stocks, and then you invest money buying them shares, invest in shares and stocks, treasury bills, bonds, mutual funds, all those kind of things. You invest money in acquiring them. So with a share, what a share is you are a part owner of a company, okay? So you buy shares, and then as time goes on, they pay you dividends. So dividends are kind of income that you also earn because of the share. So let's say if you take a company, you bought their shares, they work throughout the year. Perhaps some companies pay quarterly, some half year, and then some full the whole year. So as and when they pay, they work throughout, and then they share their profits with you. So that's also a way of gaining income. You bought the assets or the share initially, but you do not have to do anything to gain dividends on it as time goes on. So that's also a way of gaining income. Income phase begins our wealth creation journey. You will not only want to start a 9 to 5 job where you actively you actively put in your effort and your time every month, month in, month out. You also want to gain passive income whereby money is coming to you without you buying assets that would brings you money without you being involved. Or you can buy stocks and shares, treasury bonds that would also you gain dividends, and then sometimes the shares too, the price can go up, and then you that is also capital or price appreciation. The shares are going up in price. You bought it for, let's say, $10, and then after some period it goes to $15. So the $5 difference is it also comes to you. So when you sell that particular share at that time, you will get an increase of $5 on your money. So there are a lot of ways whereby we can gain passively, and the passive income is the way to go. Just note, always remember that we are working, but we cannot work all our lives. So we need to work hard now so that we can work smart in the future. That we can sleep, we can make money whilst we are sleeping. It's very important. Even when you are away, you are asleep, you still can be earning money. And that's the way to fast track your wealth creation journey. You cannot work your way throughout till the end. You need to have a balance. A passive income whereby you have assets that bring you income passively without your involvement. Like you can write a book, and then you sell the book over and over again to gain income. You can produce music, and then people patronize it over and over, you gain income. You can produce digital products, or rent out apartments, or start a business and employ people. There's a whole lot of things you can do to gain passive income, and then you can buy stocks and shares, mutual funds, treasury bills, bonds. You can invest money in all those portfolios or paper assets in order to gain portfolio income. So you want to combine all these three types of incomes because we mind you we need multiple streams of income. We can't just rely on only one income, which is the active income. We need to gain passive income as well as the portfolio income. So there should be a combination of all three types of income in order to kickstart our wealth creation journey. If you found this video very useful, kindly like, subscribe, and then share with your friends and family. See my other videos. Bye.